Hello everyone. Today's LeetCode challenge is find the duplicate files in systems. We have given with a path and our goal is to find the file which contains the duplicate content. So here you can see in an example, file path is root a 1.txt and 2.txt. So 1.txt content abcd and 2.txt content efgh. And here is in another path, the path is root c 3.txt. Here is another path root cd 4.txt and root 4.txt. So here, as you can see, the EFG and EFG, these three contents are same, and the ABC and ABC, these three contents are same. So our goal is to return the same content file path. So as you can see here in output, we return the output root slash a 2.txt root slash cd 4.txt root slash 4.txt, and another set is root slash a slash 1.txt and root c slash 3.txt. So let's jump into the code and see how it's work. So in this problem we're gonna use hash map. So first of all we define our hash map. So c equal to default disk list. So what this hash map gonna do, it will be content the path of the content. Like if our content is abc, so it will append the abc to the hash map and also append which are the path that contain abc. So now we iterate through our path. So for path in paths, we split the path by spacing, because here you can see in our input our path is separated with our root folder. Our folder is separated with the file by space, so we separated it. So path equal to path dot split, which separate the file and folder. So our root equal to root will be path 0. And now we iterate through the files. For file in path, our first element is root, so what we're gonna do, we iterate 1 till end of the file, end of the list, 1 till end, and we split name and content. File name underscore content equal to file load partition. So we're gonna partition it by bracket, because content are stored in brackets. Now we append the content to our hash map. So c dot content equal to c dot content dot append, we append root plus slash plus file name, and then we're gonna return it x for x in c dot value if len of x is greater than 1. So now we're gonna run it. So here you can see our code is working. Let's try to copy and paste it to the site. So run the code. So as you can see our code get accepted. Let's try to submit it. Submit, and it's submitted too. Here is the code. Thank you for watching. See you soon.